Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. For week 4 we're going to be focused on the role of tariffs. And when we look at tariffs, we're going to look at the imposition of tariffs and how tariffs influence our economy. Now we're going to look at smaller economies, larger economies, but tariffs are very important because they're implemented to help sometimes domestic producers. So there's a lot of implications when we look at tariffs. For this week you have discussion board number 3. Make sure to have your first post by Thursday, 11:55. It needs to include an in-text citation and reference in APA formatting. You're going to have quiz over Chapter 4. It's going to be 10 questions. I have a study guide for you listed in the announcement. When you focus on the quizzes, you want to work on application. And also, a lot of you are struggling in the discussion board because you're missing some of the key components. Focusing on the question, 3 to 4 paragraphs, in-text citation and reference, and having that first post by Thursday. Any additional questions that I post in the course, you're more than willing to respond to, as those will count as peer responses as well. So some of the questions you're going to see on the quizzes are going to look at specific ad valorem tariffs. What are they best suited for? When would you apply them? The burden of the import tariff is greater on the exporter or the importer. What are some arguments for tariffs? What are optimal tariffs? When do they exist? What are protective tariffs? And when are they levied? What is a specific tariff? What is a compound tariff? The imposition of a tariff leads to changes in consumer and producer surplus. So I'm going to give you an example. If a tariff occurs, what will be the change in the consumer producer surplus? And then the last question will be a calculation of a 10% tariff. If you have any questions, let me know, but I look forward to your effort in the course.